What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Myself, I am kind of in a pissed off mood this morning. So I was supposed to get the Ram wheels at the beginning of this week, and so I called the company to make sure everything was still on track, and they hit me with FedEx lost 2 of the wheels. How do you lose a 20-inch rim wrapped in a 37-inch tire? Makes absolutely no sense to me. I guess that's my luck. Anyways, we're just gonna keep moving with what we got. Yesterday, I did get the Ram bumper painted. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the truck, and then we're also gonna paint the fender flares. So stay tuned and let's get rolling. Check that out guys, the color match bumper flows so much cleaner on the Ram. Just waiting for the wheels to come in, electric side steps, and a few other things, and this beast will be 100% done. Now we're gonna move on to these fender flares. I did have to go get more paint yesterday, and sanding these did take a little minute. They had like the texture finish, and I'm going with the smooth finish. So let's go ahead and mix up some sealer and get these knocked out. right, guys, so we just made it home with the package. I did have to take the top wheel off. It was a little top heavy. I went with the Nito Ridge Grapplers 37 by 13.5 in a 20-inch wheel, which is the TIS 547B. Now let's go ahead and get these unloaded and transform this truck into beast mode. Yo guys, check this out. The wheels just transformed this truck into an absolute beast. The Ram is sitting on fire now and it is looking really good. Let me know what y'all think about the wheels. If we did right going with the 20-inch wheel, or if we should have went with a size bigger. But I think with the 20-inch you get more tire, and that's more ideal for towing since it can handle a little bit more weight or whatnot. We also got all the front bumper lights wired up and they are super bright at night. And it kind of gives it that more aggressive looks running those pod lights for your fog lights. And we also went ahead and upgraded our bulbs. Instead of using the halogen bulbs, those are super dim and hard to see at night. We just swapped those out for some LED bulbs we got off of Amazon. It is a H7 bulb if you want to do that to your Ram, so check them out. We also got the windows tinted. I think I went 5% on the back and then I went 50% on the front windshield. It does the job and keeps the sun out of your eyes. All right, guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today. The Ram is almost completely done and I'm so excited to switch things over and put the Ram to work. So drop down in the comments on what the next build should be. Also, should I do a price reveal on the truck? Let me know if any of y'all are interested. With all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks for watching. I'm out.